Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to continue on with the center gauge pod. Stay tuned. Alrighty boys, it's a bit rough, it's had a few days to dry and there's only a little bit of cracking down the bottom here, which is good because that's pretty thick. Everywhere else is pretty thin, so let's get it out and sand it down, or I might even file it down. Alright guys, there we have the gauge pod. Haven't touched it yet, so we've got some decent cracks here. We'll try to get these even today and nice and flat on the top. I want to try to get this plug done, sealed, mold made, and the piece popped out by the end of the week. It's Monday afternoon now, so because I want to get to a car meet with this finished piece. Alright. Alright guys, been sanding it down for a little bit. I'm just trying to get this top edge here even on both sides. It's pretty flat there. Thickness from side to side is pretty good. Not the middle one, I did mention that last time. It is a bit lower, but that doesn't matter once we've actually made the plug, because those holes won't be there. So I'm going to put it in the car and see how the height is. I think this side's a little bit higher, so I might need to trim that down a bit. Then we can actually get to work and actually shaping it properly. Alright, by the look of it, it's just a little bit here, and this back edge here. That side looks okay, and maybe just a little bit here, and just at the front here. Still need to work out what I'm going to do with that edge. I haven't worked that out yet. It's a bit longer on this side by the look of it. Or my tape's not straight. The tape's definitely not straight. It's dinner time, so yeah, I'll be back out in 2 or 3 hours. But it's coming along. All the edges are where I want them to be. And I'll just sand it down a bit more, and it's going to have to fill in a bit more at the top here. So I'm going to go like a straight edge from here. Fan it around to there, across, and then like that, and then that'll be all smoothed out. Hopefully for the last time. Got to get these parts are probably the hardest parts to get even, and then get that flat, and that straight. And these are becoming an issue. So, getting there. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to seal it. Alrighty guys, changed the design just a little bit up here. So I've rounded it all off. It's looking a bit better. Really struggling with this side. I think I put like an extra layer or two of fiberglass on, because I can't get the same angle as the right hand side, which is really annoying. But I'll work it out. Right guys, got it looking pretty good. I like this part, this side, but I'm going to have to work with this side because of the fiberglass that's there. It's not there. So, time to put some more filler on. Fill that in. Okay. So, I need to build it up again. Alrighty guys, that's me done for tonight. Be back tomorrow to see how it's going. Hopefully it's dry by then and we can do some more. Hopefully finish this part off and seal it. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's 2 days later. Didn't do anything yesterday. It's now Wednesday night, so it's all dried. Let's see if we can get this spot on so we can be ready to seal it. I would like to seal it tonight. It's about 20 to 10. Let's see if we can do it. Alright guys, it's 10 past 11 now, and this is where I'm at. Nice and smooth. There's a few little bits and pieces here that I need to fix up. It goes in just a little bit here, so even though it comes back on an angle, I don't want anything like that down there, otherwise it may lock in and I can't get the old mold off it. So fortunately we're going to have to do another layer of this gyprock, fill in some little bits. The back came up pretty good. There's a couple of little low spots. This bit here is low. You can see with all the fiberglass showing that obviously they're high spots. So it might be something that I'll have to come back to and revise in like a version 2 of like actually fixing it all up. So make a mold, make this top piece, and sand it like to exactly where I want it, because it won't have the fiberglass there. It will be the gel coat. It'll be a bit easier to work with, so we can get it nice and flat, and then pop that side out and make a piece. It'll be a lot better. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Put a little bit more there. Hopefully I don't need to make another one, but yeah, see how it turns out. Okay, so there's another little batch of gyprock on there. Hopefully it dries tomorrow, so Thursday, and I can send it back and seal it. I'd really like to have this sealed by the end of this video. Hi guys, it's the next night. I actually hit it with some heat last night, and I think I stuffed up the PVC a little bit. Anyway, we'll sand it down smooth, hopefully get this level and fix this bit here, and hopefully tonight I can seal it. So tomorrow I'm going to be driving the Foz to work. Tomorrow's Friday, so I can give it a good clean up for a little meet that I'm going to on Sunday. Alright guys, I think I've got it to the best I can get this particular piece. We are a little bit wavy here, but I'm starting to get down into the fiberglass, so when we actually make a piece, we'll have gel coat there, be a bit easier to work with, fill it in, and we'll get a perfect one on the first piece that we make, and then we'll probably make a mold from that one. And we are starting to get some cracks around the PVC pipe, so we won't have any of that there, so it'll be a bit better. Yeah, we'll seal it up. I'm going to use this glass finish 2-part epoxy. Just brush it on. Hopefully it should level itself out, and then we can make a mold from it. Alright guys, so with this glass finish, we've got 2-part, so it's a 5-to-3 mixture. So I'm just going to use a measuring cup, as long as I'm hitting the same numbers each time, which will be I don't need too much. Might do 50 mils to 30 mils, and see how we go. Alright boys, probably mixed up too much. I haven't actually mixed it yet, because we are pretty much just painting this. So I've got 80 mils of stuff to paint, and we don't want to put it on too thick or it's going to change the shape of the piece. So what else could we paint? Alright, getting ready to paint the epoxy on. It's really clean environment. Alright, so this is going to run over the edges. Might not actually. Should be filling in cracks. You can see the depth in the fiberglass now. I can't actually really see the fibers. I can see through to the gel coat on the other side. That's really weird. Look how different that looks. Wow. Like marbly. Alright boys, that's all I can really do for tonight till it dries. So hopefully it dries tomorrow. I did mix it properly. We're having decent weather, like mid-20s to 30 degrees Celsius. Anyway guys, if you like this episode and you're pretty keen on the outcome of this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.